A Team 101. In this video we will be analyzing why we are seeing the stock market enjoying a bull market on the Monday, and simultaneously we are also seeing that the prices for the gold is surging as the US economy and the gold is inversely proportional, which means inversely proportional, which means when the prices of the gold increases, simultaneously the uncertainty in the market for the US economy is rising, due to which we can expect a decline in the US stock exchange. However, this wasn't the scenario. So in this video we will be analyzing why we have seen such a move, or why we have seen that the gold prices has been surging also, and simultaneously the US stock market was also surging. So let's begin. So first we will be analyzing why we have seen a bullish or a bull market for the stock market is due to the fact on Monday we were expecting non-manufacturing and purchasing manager index, and the numbers which come out from non-manufacturing index were positive and was some around 57.1. Any numbers greater than 50 tell us that the economy isn't contracting, however the economy is expanding. Thus the positive numbers and the numbers greater than 50 suggest that the US economy was expanding, due to which we have seen that the Nasdaq 100 yesterday has breaking its all-time high and is trading around its all-time high. Moreover, coming on Amazon and Tesla, and on Amazon we have seen that the prices or the stock for the Amazon have hit the benchmark of $3,000 for the first time. Moreover, in addition, high flying electric vehicle makers Tesla continues to advance to newer highs, as more stock analysts jumps on the boat in affirming the company promising perspective. Moreover, we have seen that the Chinese economy has been recovering, and many analysts are expecting an V-shaped recovery in the Chinese economy. Moreover, the graph which you are seeing currently on the chart explain us that the market rallies on the recovery hope from some around 4,000, and the market has plunged due to the coronavirus. The mark have been shown, and here we can see that the market is railing on the recovery on the hopes, and we have seen an extremely bullish or a rapid movement or a rapid recovery in the Chinese stock, due to which major stocks such as Amazon and Tesla, more significantly Tesla, who are directly linked to the China as their manufacturing plants are installed in the China, and the recovery in the China promise that the Elon Musk target for 2021 and 2022 for its Cyberpunk and another projects on which Elon Musk is working would be continued by the time, and no extra time would be required, due to which we have seen an bullish momentum in the Tesla. Now coming on the cause or the reason why we have seen a surge in Nasdaq or Tesla or Amazon is due to the fact that the investors cheered overnight Wall Street gains on the US stock on strong US housing data, as well as China announced of a cross-border wealth management scheme linking Hong Kong and their neighboring cities on the mainland. Now the main thing is that we have seen Shanghai Composite Index was up around 0.78% at 2,984, while the blue chips such as CSI 300 index was up around 1.32%. So the reason for all this bullish move in the market on China and the US was due to the only one fact that the analyst and many investors are seeing the recovery of China in the second quarter of 2020, due to which we have seen this bullish move and the investors are investing, and the stocks related to the China such as Amazon and Tesla have seen an higher surge, due to which the Nasdaq 100 has also experienced an surge in its price or in its value. Thus these were the reasons why we have seen an increase in the prices for the stock exchange. Now coming on the prices for the gold, let me first tell you the worldwide confirmed cases are some around 11.6 million. The recovery has been made some around 6.27 million, and the deaths toll is some around 5,37,000 K, means 5,37,000. These are the confirmed cases for the COVID-19. These are the recovery which we have made from the COVID-19, and these are the deaths which have occurred till now from the COVID-19. Now answering the question why we have simultaneously seen a bullish run in the stock market, as I have explained you why we have seen, and now coming on the gold prices, why we have seen that the gold prices has further advanced rather than experiencing a bearish momentum, is due to the fact that the uncertainty which has been created by the COVID-19. We have seen that the US is continuously reporting its higher highs in the COVID-19, which means the data which is coming from the US is about the COVID-19 and the people being infected is increasing rapidly, rather than decreasing. Thus, increase in the rapid cases of the COVID-19 is creating uncertainty, due to which the investors are keen to invest in the safe haven, and the most significant and the most outperforming safe haven of all time is gold, due to which we have seen an advance in the prices of the gold, and the gold is heading towards its benchmark of 1800. Thus now all reasons are explained why we have seen a bullish run in the stock market simultaneously in the gold prices. If you do like my video, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Thanks for watching.